So what's up, it's a Mesh from TechMesh, and today I'm going to show you how you can root any Xiaomi devices with flashing TWRP recovery. So let's get it started, shall we? So first of all, just let me show you that my device is Xiaomi device. Here you can see device model Redmi 4 Prime. I am using a custom ROM, not MIUI, but the process is same for MIUI as well. So let's get started. So first of all, just I'm going to show you that my device is not rooted. I already installed an app called Root Checker. I'm going to open it, and then I will tap on verify root, and here you can see sorry, root access is not properly installed on this device. Okay, so I will now root my device. So for rooting your device, first we have to go to about phone option, and then here you will find build number, and you have to tap on it for 7 times. I already enabled it, and after tapping it 7 times it will say that you are already a developer. And then here you can see I got my developer option in Xiaomi devices. You can find it in MIUI specifically. You can find it in additional settings, and under that you will find the developer option after enable it. And then here you have to turn on OEM unlocking. As you can see, I already turned on it. And then another thing we will need is USB debugging. You have to enable it as well. And let me mention you that you will need your device's bootloader unlocked. So let's move on. So you have to turn on OEM unlocking, and then you have to turn on your Android USB debugging, and also your device's bootloader should be unlocked. Okay, then we will turn off the device. So just tap on your power button and turn power off your device. Okay, as you can see, I am turning off my device. Sorry for the poor quality or shaky hand, because I am shooting this video with my hand. Okay, after turning off your device, you have to press on your power button and your volume down key at the same time. Power button and volume down key. As you can see, I am pressing this, and here you can see it will show fast boot, just like this. And then you have to take a micro USB cable, your charging cable, and then you have to plug, sorry for the poor quality. Okay, you have to plug one end to your mobile and another end to your laptop or PC. Okay, now I will shift to my PC. Okay, now I am in my PC. Okay, after plugging your device with your PC, then just download this folder. I will put its link in the description below. Okay, first after downloading these four files, and then just install this application first. Its process is simple, just normal application installation. Okay, it is minimal ADB fastboot, and after installing it will be in your C drive. So just go there and go to program files, and then here you will find minimal ADB and fastboot, and here just tap on this command here, application, just tap on here, and then just type fast boot devices and press enter, and it will show your device. As you can see, this is my device. It will show a device like this. Okay, after typing fastboot device, then you have to type fast boot flash recovery. Don't hit enter yet, just go to the folder that you have downloaded. Where are you? Okay, just go to the folder you downloaded, and just copy this TWRP file to the minimal ADB folder and paste it here, and it will need your permission. Press continue. Okay, then you have to copy your TWRP folder's name. Okay, as you can see, I already copied it, and then just open the command window here and then paste it. And after pasting it, listen carefully, after pasting the name, then you have to add .img and then hit enter, and this will flash the TWRP recovery. And then you have to type first boot, and then paste the TWRP name and then .img and hit enter. So now we have completely flashed the TWRP recovery. So now what you have to do is you have to press on reboot, and then here you have to select recovery. As you can see, you have to select on recovery, then your device will be restart, and it will be restart in TWRP recovery, as you can see. And in TWRP recovery, okay, now just go to your PC, and here you can see your MTP device, and then what you have to do is you have to copy your super SU and your lazy flasher zip file to your mobile internal storage. Okay, here as you can see, I have already copied them. Then hit install, and here scroll down and you will see your super SU. Tap on your super SU zip file and then swipe confirm to flash, and just wait for a bit. Okay, we have successfully installed Super SU, and then hit on lazy flasher and swipe confirm to flash the same way, and wait for it to, here as you can see it is saying done. Okay, then just hit on reboot system, and here you can see our system is rebooting. So our device has been successfully rebooted, and now just let's go to the application root checker, and here as you can see root checker, just tap on verify root, and and then you have to grant the permission with Super SU, and here as you can see, congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. And I will provide as many links as possible in the description below for all the Xiaomi devices. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you face any problem, don't forget to mention it in the comment section. And if you want to see more good videos like this, then hit the subscribe button, please, it will inspire me a lot. That's it guys, hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.